They're the best in the valley as far as putting in windshields and taking care of your car. They're just a quality company, does a quality job. You don't want to take it to somebody and end up having them put a windshield in it and you come back and the car's scratched and the windshield's subpar. And that's why we use Window Welder. They put the glass in this car, they put the glass in my dad's 56, they put the glass in my 55 Bel Air. They're just a very easy company to work with. They try and get us in whenever we need it. When you're driving down the road and a windshield isn't installed correctly, you can get wind noise. It makes the chrome move. That's why I take mine to Neil at Window Welder. They'll make sure that the chrome's installed. You don't get any rattle, you don't get any noise. On these old cars, sometimes you get a windshield that leaks. Neil doesn't send you a car that leaks. If you've got any type of car that you really appreciate, and you want a windshield that you can look through, that you can rely on, that isn't going to leak, go to Window Welder. They will take care of you.